Feeling stuck like you have more to offer but don't know how? Subscribe now for weekly tips to unlock your true potential. Let's get started. Want to boost your mental energy? Staying active is key. So keep your body moving with some fun exercises, munch on good food, and don't forget to chill out and reflect a bit. It really helps. What really matters to you? Your vibe as a leader totally comes from your values and the direction you're headed in. It's all about being true to yourself. Keep learning, no matter how much school you've been through. There's always more to discover, right? Life's a never-ending adventure, and there's so much out there waiting for you. Being imaginative is super important. You know, creative thinking really helps us make better choices and find cool solutions to everyday problems. It's all about letting your mind wander and explore new ideas, right? Creating a close-knit team is so crucial, you know? Teamwork truly makes the dream work. It's all about bonding and having each other's backs. Start by creating and then worry about getting recognized later. Focus on building your skills through helping others. Our potential only shines when we put it to use, right? Think of talent like a piano. The more you play, the better it sounds. So let's keep it in tune.